How to change Facebook join date. So if you want to change Facebook join date, then first of all, open up your Facebook application and then go for the upper right corner, which has that three bar icon, and then simply scroll down and go for settings and privacy, and then go for settings. And under your settings, you can simply scroll down, and here you will have your information section, and under that you will have access your information option. Go for that, continue, and here simply scroll down, and under your information you will have personal information. Tap on personal information, and under your personal information you will have your account creation date. So it says that I have created my account on April 18th 2023. So you can simply see that date or view that date, but you can't simply change it because we don't have an option to change the creation date. And if you really want to change your creation date, then you can simply delete your Facebook account which you are using right now, and then you can again create your account with the date that you want. So that's it. We don't have an option to change it, but we can only view it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.